So my dear friends, today in this lecture we are going to learn that how can we rename a file which is already being uploaded in the server. So you can see, so here a file that has been uploaded in the server. The name of the file is PHP tutorial.jpg. So this file has been uploaded in the my folder. The name of the folder is my folder, which is kept inside another folder, that is test folder, and that is kept inside the server. So this is the server that we have installed, XAMPP server. Inside the XAMPP server we have got the htdocs where we should keep all the files, and inside this we have got a test folder that we have created, and inside this test folder we have got this PHP files, and also have got the my folder. This is another folder, and here I have got the file. Now you can see this is the file which we are going to rename using the PHP code. So let us see. So very simple thing that we have to do. Now we are using this file. The file name is file6.php. A simple program I'm going to write, say rename, rename. This is a function. So first we have to write the old name. So what is the old name? So let me copy this. This is the old name, right? This name I'm going to provide. So this folder has been kept inside the server, right? This has been kept inside the server. Now I have to keep it over here. So I'm writing the old name. This is the old name. Now I'm going to change it to the new name. A new name I would like to give that, say abcd.jpg. So this is the new name. So this is a function that we are going to use to rename a file. So first you have to provide the existing name, that is the old name, right, of the file, and then you have to provide the new name. So but will it going to work? No, certainly not, because we have to specify the location. Right, now let us find the location. So the location is, the file has been kept inside this folder. The folder name is my folder. So here I have to specify the folder name, right, and the file, and here also I have to specify the folder name. Now let us execute this file. The file name is file6.php. now so here we are going to execute file6.php, this particular file, file6.php, right, because we have written the program file inside the file6.php. that is why you are going to execute file6.php, right. Now let me execute. Now it has been executed. Now let us see in the folder. Now you can see previously the name of the file was php tutorial.jpg, that has been changed into abcd.jpg. Now let us understand how to rename the file at the time of uploading. So let us understand that, let's say user is going to upload a file from the registration form, right, and that particular time user is not going to upload a file which is of a different name. So any name user can upload a file. So there could be the file of certain names which the user is going to upload. Let's say I'm going to upload a file from the desktop. Now if I just, so this is the HTML code that we have created this thing. So we just have got a input button and a submit. So in the file.php, the file name, now you can see in the file.php we just have got two input. One is to upload file, and that will be recognized by this namespace photo and the submit button. Now here in the action I'm going to use the post method, and in type this I'm going to use, and here I'm going to action to file 5.php. Now in the file 5.php I have written the code to upload the file in the server. So from this file I'm going to get it action forward to file 5.php, this file where I have written all the code, all the program to uploading the file inside the server. So I'm not going to explain you this particular program because I have explained this to you in the previous video. So if you have not seen that particular video, please find that video in the description. I will give the link of that video in the description. So I have explained it to you in detail how you can upload a file in the server with applying certain criteria. So criteria was that check if the file is exist or not. If the file is exist, in that case the file will not be uploaded, okay. And another criteria that I have explained to you, that is it will be checked that if the file is JPG or not. So only JPG file will be allowed certain file format. So you can restrict the user to upload a file with certain format. It could be JPG or it could be PDF. So a certain file format will be allowed. That I have taught you in the previous lecture. And another thing that I have taught you, that is file size, how to restrict user to upload a file within a limited size. So how user can upload file within the size of 50 KB, that I have taught you in the previous lecture. So you can also restrict the limit of file size that user is going to upload. It could be 50 KB, 5 KB, 20 KB, 10 KB, depending on the requirement. You can apply and impose that criteria on the registration form for the user to upload a file. So everything I have explained to you in the previous lecture, this thing, but I am not going to explain to you in this particular lecture. I will just give the link of this video which I have taken on the previous class in the description. You find it from there. So here what I am going to do, I am going to upload a file. Let me upload a file first. So you can see I am going to upload a file. Now let me just upload a file from the desktop. Now I am going to upload this particular file, that is say pic1.jpg, this file. Now okay, so I have uploaded the file. Now you can see file has been uploaded. Now the name has been written over a pic1.jpg. So while uploading, in the time of uploading, I want to rename this. So as we know the function of rename, so just I'm going to copy this program from here, and here I'm going to put it right. Okay, so I will close this file. Okay, so in the file 6.php I have written all the code. Now in file 1 I will write here file 6 because I am going to take it action to file 6.php. Now here I will add the file rename here, file rename in this place. So you can see just here. So the time, this is the function for uploading the file, right? This is the function for uploading the file. So once this function will be completed, that means once the file will be uploaded, then this rename function is going to work, and this function is going to work. Now what will exactly going to happen, let me tell you. So this is the existing file name, right? Now you can see in the target file I have created the location with the base name, right? Base name means that is the file name which was the existing file name that user has uploaded. Now I don't want to keep that file name in my folder of the server, so I want to give a separate file name. For that, here I'm going to use a rename function. So here just I'm going to write, so I will write in the same folder. I will take the folder name first, and after that I will write 1234556.jp. so this will be the new file name, right, which is I'm going to upload, right? If user is going to upload any file, so that file name will be changed to this particular file name that I'm doing over here. So let me execute. Okay, now first I'm going to delete these two files. Okay, now it is empty, blank. Now let me upload the same file. You can see I'm going to upload the same file, pic1.jpg. So I'm going to upload the file that is pic1.jpg, and that file is going to be changed, right, while I will upload. Just let me show you. So you can see the base name is pic1.jpg. I'm going to click the submit button. Now you can see file has been uploaded, but after the file has been uploaded, you can see the name that has been changed, right, 1234556, because I have used this rename function, right? This was the existing name which has been changed to this particular name, right? Now let me just revise which I have done in the previous class. You can see, so just let me do it a revision. So I have first taken the target location, right? In this folder I'm going to save the file. This is the base name of the file which is user is going to upload. Now first I'm going to check if the file is already uploaded or not. If the file has been uploaded already previously, so repeatedly I'm not going to allow the user to upload the same file, so it will be printed sorry, the file already. Now else what is going to happen, that means if the file has not been uploaded, so it should be allowed, right? Uploading should be allowed, user should be allowed to upload the file. Now here you can see, so I have taken another variable image type, right, and in that variable I am going to just find out the extension name. So this is the process to find out the extension name, right, of a given file which has been uploaded. So I'm going to check the extension of the file. Here I'm going to restrict the user to upload a specific file format. That file format I'm going to allow the user to upload, that is JPG file format. And if the file is not equal to JPG, then it will be written that only JPG file format that is allowed. In case if the file format is JPG, in that case what will happen, further it is going to check that the file size should be less than 50 KB. So 5000 means 50 KB. It is written in bit format, 50 KB. So if the size of the file is more than 50 KB, in that case it will be written sorry, file is too large. Otherwise what is going to happen, else file is going to get uploaded in the server. So this is the process. So move upload file is a function. This function will allow the file to get uploaded in the server. Now you can see, so this is the namespace identifier I have used to recognize the file. You can see by this photo namespace I'm going to recognize. So this input tag is going to recognize, right, whatever file is going to be uploaded from the form, that is going to be recognized by this photo namespace. So that is why it is in photo, and this is the temporary name, right, which has been considered, and that is going to be uploaded here, the location which I have already been created over here. So this is the location which already have been created, right? And here I'm going to use the rename function. After the file will get uploaded over there, this rename function is going to function. So this rename function is going to change this location into this particular location, right? And after that it will be printed the file has been uploaded successfully. So this particular thing has been explained to you in furthermore very detail. So you find the description, you will get the link of this video. In the previous lecture I have taught you in detail with clarity how to upload file. I have explained it to you in detail. So in this given video, it was only to be explained to you that how to rename a file. That already I have explained to you how to rename a file. So if you like this video, then you click the like button, and in the next video I'm going to show you how you can delete a file which has been uploaded in the server. So thank you and goodbye for today.